Okay, this shot is known as the moose fart. The ingredients for the moose fart are vodka, Crown Royal, coffee liqueur, and Irish cream. You'll also need a mixing cup, half-shot jigger, strainer, and a shot glass. To mix up the moose fart, we're going to go ahead and throw some ice in our mixing cup. We're going to do a half a shot each of vodka, Crown Royal, coffee liqueur, and Irish cream. We'll go ahead and mix that up. Strain into a shot glass. And that is a moose fart.
That's good.